is a Photostory review. If you click on Start and go to All Programs, then you're going to go to Multimedia, Photostory 3. When Photostory opens, you're going to click Begin a New Story, or you can edit a project that you've been working on. So we're going to begin a new one. We're going to click Next. Import Pictures is what I'm going to click on, and hopefully I have saved the pictures where I want them to be. So I'm going to click on Pane Pics, and I'm going to click on the folder Award Pics just for an example. And let's say that I want all of these pictures. I can click on the first one, and then I'm going to hold down Control key and the A key, and it will highlight all of them. That was Control A. Or I can just click on the individual pictures. I'm going to click OK to put them in. And now here they are. What I can do is I can click Edit down here. These are your editing tools for the pictures. If you click Edit, it will allow you to rotate the picture or crop the picture. If you click Auto Fix, it will let you fix the red eye. I'm going to say correct the red eye. Then you're going to click Add Effect if you want it to have an effect. Black and white, charcoal, colored pencil. Here's an example of what one would look like if you changed it. The effect. You can change it and it will change what the picture looks like. If you like what you did with the picture, then you would come down to the bottom here and hit Save. And then after you hit Save, you would hit Close and your picture would be edited. You can go through each picture and click on it and click the Edit button to change the picture properties. When you're done with that, you're going to click Next. And then this is how you add text to a picture. You click on the individual picture you want to add text to. Then you're going to click in this box and type what you want it to say. To change what the font and the colors look like, you're going to come up here, and this is the font. And I clicked on the double letter A's to get here. So this is the font. Then I can click on bold. I can click on the size that I want it to be. And then I can come down here and click on the color. And I want something that's going to stand out, so I'm going to pick red. And this is the language. We're going to stick with Western since we speak English. I'm going to click OK. And now you can see my word hi is in the middle, and I don't want it there. I don't want it to be over the students' faces. So I can come over to these boxes here, and if I click on this one, it's going to put it at the top. If I click it at this one, I'll put it at the bottom. And this one's in the middle. Well, I want it at the top. These buttons here are going to allow you to put it in the left corner, the middle, or the right-hand corner. I want it in the middle. So then I'm going to click, when I'm done with that, I can click the next picture and add the text to that one. But I'm going to click Next. If I click on Customize Motion, I can click in this box to specify a start and end position. So I can click and drag, and then that's where the picture is going to start coming in. And then I would click here and expand the picture with the little dots. And then I'm going to hit Save. Then I'm going to click Transition. And I can click on any one of these, and these animations will be the transition between pictures, and I can click Save. If you want to set the specific number of seconds, you can click here, and this is 1 second. You can up it to however many seconds you want. You can click and type how many seconds. Then you're just going to hit Save. If I want to preview it, I can click Preview, and it'll come up and show me what my photo story looks like so far. And when I'm done, I just click Close, and I click Close here. If I want to record, I would click on this button, and it would start recording, and then I can hit Stop when I want to stop recording. If I don't like what I've recorded, I can click this arrow here, and it will undo. Then if I want to record with the next picture, I would click on the next picture. I could customize the motion. I could record on that picture. Whatever I'm going to record is going to be associated with whatever picture is in this box. So let's say I've recorded and customized the motion for all my pictures. I'm going to hit Next. What I can do is I can select music or create music. Select means that I have music in a specific place that I want to pull from. So these are all pieces of music from online. So I can choose something from online or something from a CD. And what I would do is I would just click on the music that I've already saved ahead of time and click open, and it would insert the music here. Now, if I want to delete the music, I would just click delete music. If I want to choose a pre-created music piece, I would click create music. Then I could search by the genre or the style. Then I would click on what kind of musical instruments I want. And then I could fix the tempo, slow or fast, and the intensity. Then I can hit play so that I know what it's going to sound like ahead of time. If I like it, I click OK. If I don't like it, I can come back up and choose something else. Now, once you see the music is right here, if you have speaking or if you've recorded your voice with your Photostory, you're going to want to take this button where it says volume. This is the music volume, and you're going to want to turn it down. So that way the music does not cover the voice. Then when you're done moving the music where you want it to be, you can click preview again. And once you click preview, it will allow you to see what your Photostory looks like. Let's imagine that I don't want this song to be in the entire Photostory. I want to switch songs. I want the song to be different on this picture. So I can click on this picture, create music, and I'm going to pick a new song, and then I'm going to say OK. And you can see the song has changed. The more songs that you have in a Photostory, the longer it will take to save. That is the only downside of the songs. So if you want a song to change, you would click on the picture that you want to start the new song on, and then you would click create music. Let's pretend that we're totally done with our Photostory. We're going to hit next. Now it's going to ask you where you want to save it in this box right here. So I'm just going to click browse. I'm going to click whatever I want to save it. I can click desktop. I can click my documents, wherever you want to save your Photostory. Then I'm going to name my Photostory. And then I'm going to hit save. Then I have to hit next. When I hit next, I'll see this box right here. And this box is telling me what the saving process is. And as soon as my Photostory is done, you'll see the green will go all the way to the end. And it's on step 2 of step 5. When you're completely finished with your Photostory, it will become a Windows Media file, otherwise known as WMV. And that can be shown or burned onto a CD or DVD as a finished product. You're also going to want to save your project, because your project is something you can change. When you finish and you get a Windows movie file, it is not something you can change. So you always want to click Save Project so that you can go back and edit your Photostory if necessary. And that is how you create a Photostory.